Welcome back to another video. Today we are here at 47th station on the Green Line. Today we are here to catch the 63rd and Cottage Grove train, which should be arriving at platform sooner rather than later. I'm hoping soon. See down there is 51st. Down there is 51st. And down there is 43rd. Hopefully the train comes sooner than I expect. I'm gonna actually go over here and check the time of when the train's supposed to arrive. And actually, like, literally, we got 3 minutes, guys. 63rd and Cottage Grove train has 3 minutes. Let's go back down here. So we're gonna get on. the third car. I'm on the second car because yes, we're taking this train to Cottage Grove Terminal. Yes, we're taking it over to Cottage Grove Terminal for any people who have questions. And yes, I'm at 47th station. Don't ask me why I'm not at 50 Garfield station. I just decided to get off here after getting off the Ashland 63rd train. Anyways, we have a few videos left before I'm not gonna sell my channel anytime soon. So for any questions y'all have, just drop them in the comments. Yes, by the way, I'm reading all comments, and if I reply to you, I reply. If I don't, just oh well, it doesn't matter. Anyways, I'm gonna stand right here.
Attention customers and
So yep, that's my train. Okay, so I'm gonna face the camera towards the tracks, so you're gonna see the tracks a little bit.
Attention customers, an outbound train from the loop will be arriving shortly.
Okay, guys, so from now on, y'all be facing the tracks. Also, yes, this might have poor quality. I'm recording off my phone instead of my GoPro because my GoPro is let's just say that's what happens when you let your cousin borrow your things and then return to you broken. So a lot of my videos will now be recorded off my phone. Let's see how long it takes me to get from 47th Green Line to Cottage Grove Green Line. And yes, guys, I have a Cottage Grove Express bus video coming out soon. I actually have one on my channel. Just check the link. Just click on my profile, which is right here. Click on that profile link, and you'll be able to see and go down. You see a route called on route CTA on route X for Cottage Grove Express. A few CTA videos out, but that's not a problem.
Will be arriving shortly.
Oh wow, there's one right there, 43rd platform. I'm at 51st platform. There's a green line at 51st platform. I can see my train is arriving at station.
An inbound train for Duluth will be arriving shortly.
There it is. Told you guys I'll have a video for you guys. You think I'm lying? It's Friday. It's Friday. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. 63rd and Cottage Grove. Right here.
Doors closing. First is fast. Doors open on the right at 51st. Smoking, littering, and eating are prohibited on CTA vehicles. This is 51st. This is the Green Line train. to 63rd and Cottage Grove.
Told you guys the stations was that close.
Doors closing. Garfield is next. Doors open on the right at Garfield. Transfer to Green Line trains to 63rd and Ashland at Garfield. This is Garfield. Transfer to Green Line trains to 63rd and Ashland at Garfield. This is a Green Line train to 63rd and Cottage Grove. Doors closing. Cape Drive is next. Doors open on the right at Cape Drive. is King Drive. Doors closing. Cottage Grove is next.
Switching tracks now. This Cottage station as far as this train went. Thank you.